Hey guys, Kirsty here again from Youthtown, and today we're going to do some more cooking. We're going to be making some spaghetti bread baskets, which are great for lunch or an afternoon snack. First thing we need to do is to wash our hands, as always. Alright, today ingredients you will need is you're going to use some bacon. You can also use some ham as well, or luncheon if you want. Got some butter here, some bread, spaghetti here, and some grated cheese. And our utensils, we're going to use some kitchen scissors, big scary knife, and also got a butter knife here. Then our tray for our baskets. Right, first thing we want to do is to get our bread. So I've got 8 slices of bread here. I'm going to start with 8, but you can do 12 if you want. Probably get a parent, adult, to do this. You just want to cut your crust off. Doesn't have to be perfect. Once you've done that, just going to grab our butter here and our butter knife. Just going to butter just one side of our bread. Try to get right to the edges here. Then once that's done, I'm going to place it in our tray, butter side down, like so. I'm going to put in nice and cushy. And then we'll do that for the rest of our bread as well. So before we start doing the rest of that, we're just going to turn our oven on. So we're going to put our oven on bake, and we want to go for 180 degrees. So that's warming up while you do the rest of your bread. I'll put my last one in here. So I've got 8, but you guys can do 12 if you want. Then we're going to put these in the oven. Get an adult to put these in for you. Then we're going to put these on for 15 minutes. So while you've got those cooking in the oven, we're going to do our bacon. Or our ham if you choose to use ham, or luncheon. So you can either get an adult to cut it up with a knife, or you can use scissors. I quite like using scissors. Just be real careful when you're cutting the bacon. Just keep your hands behind the scissors. Right guys, so our timer's going off. Just going to turn that off. So once again, get an adult to help you get these out. As you can see, they're a little bit crispy. So we're just going to put these to the side for now. Just let them cool down a little bit. Right, so those have cooled down a little bit now, so I'm going to bring them over here. We're going to put our spaghetti in. So I've got 1 can of spaghetti here. See how we go with that. I'm going to start with 1 spoon. I might go a little bit more. So I've got all my spaghetti in, I've still got a bit left, so it looks like we can make 12 with 1 tin of spaghetti. So next up, we're going to put our bacon on top. So I'm using 3 pieces of bacon that I've chopped up. Then we're going to get our cheese and put our cheese on top. Also for these as well, you can use baked beans if you want.
Yummy!
There we go, right, and these are ready to go back in the oven. So get your adult to put these in the oven for you. I'm going to go back in for another 15 minutes. So guys, our timer has gone off. So get an adult to get these out for you. Look at those. So we'll just let those cool for a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so these have cooled down a little bit now, so we're just going to pop them out of the tin. So you might want a parent to do this. Be careful because your tray still will be hot. Now time to enjoy. So good. Also, if you want, you could easily just pick it up with your hand, put this in a nice little basket, and munch away.